So here's the question: how do I fix my broken marriage? It's broken and I want to fix it. Your marriage might feel shattered, beyond repair, like trying to reconstruct a mirror that's been smashed into a thousand pieces. Trust is gone, respect has eroded, intimacy feels like a distant memory from another lifetime. You've said what and done things you can't take back, and so uh, and so that hurts and that guilt just remains. Every interaction feels loaded with history, pain, and unspoken accusations, blame. You want your marriage back, but you're standing in the rubble, not knowing if rebuilding is even possible or if you're fooling yourself with false hope. The question is, do you really want to make it work again? So there's some solutions, and there are many studies. For example, Bokum, he examined marriages recovery and found that severely distressed marriages can heal when couples commit to a structured intervention. So structure is a possibility. Addressing betrayal, attachment injuries, and rebuilding trust systematically according to a little structure. Stop trying to fix everything at once. It's taken time to erode, it takes time to fix. So settle for that. Sue Johnson's research shows emotionally safety must be restored before any other issue can be addressed. Emotional safety. This means temporarily suspending discussions about the past. We always said, yes, but you did this and you did that, and remember that. It's all hurtful things that it leads nowhere. It just, you can say, it just magnifies the whole problem. And focusing on creating small positive interactions. Small steps. Commit to professional help, specializing in high conflict or post-betrayal recovery. So, healing requires both partners actively participating, not just one person trying their best or their hardest. So my name is Michael Raal and I'm a qualified counselor, and I would really like to offer you a 10-minute free counseling session via WhatsApp or Telegram or even a text message, so that we can get to know each other and see if we can engage in positive interaction and positive ways to find solutions for a marriage, something that I know is important to you. And that's why you're making some effort to restore. So I'm looking forward to hear from you. My phone number is in the description, and please subscribe and write a comment and I'll get back to you. Thank you very much.
Okay.